Welcome back to Upcycling Project videos. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY furniture makeovers. Get ready to witness the magic of transforming thrifted furniture into stylish modern pieces that'll steal the spotlight in your home. First things first, let's meet our thrifted finds. We've got a worn-out coffee table and a dated dresser. Time to give them a much-needed facelift. Before we dive into the makeover, it's crucial to prep our furniture. We'll clean, sand, and repair any imperfections, setting the stage for a flawless transformation. Now comes the exciting part, choosing the paint colors. We're opting for bold and modern shades that'll bring new life to these pieces. Let's roll up our sleeves and start painting. We'll use a combination of brush strokes, distressing, and stenciling to achieve that modern yet rustic vibe. To complete the modern look, we're swapping out the old hardware with sleek, contemporary knobs and handles. It's amazing how a small change can make a big impact. And now, the moment of truth. Behold the stunning transformation. Our once dull coffee table and dated dresser are now sleek, modern showstoppers. To truly appreciate the makeover, let's see how these pieces shine in different corners of a modern home. From the living room to the bedroom, they fit right in. Thank you for joining us on this DIY upcycled makeover journey. Remember, with a little creativity and some paint, you can turn thrifted furniture into modern treasures that reflect your personal style. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more inspiring DIY projects. Modernizing thrifted furniture, DIY upcycled makeover #DIY furniture makeover #upcycled home decor #modernize with paint.